Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use data analysis. Data analysis is a powerful process that transforms raw information into valuable insights, helping you make smarter decisions. It's about uncovering patterns, trends, and relationships within your data. We'll explore how this systematic approach can significantly improve efficiency and drive innovation across various fields. Understanding these core principles is crucial for anyone looking to leverage data effectively in today's world. The data analysis process typically involves 5 key steps. First, define your goals and gather the necessary data, ensuring it aligns with your objectives. Next, clean and prepare the data, which often takes up to 80% of the total project time, by handling missing values and errors. Then, explore the data visually to uncover initial insights. After that, apply appropriate modeling techniques, and finally, interpret your findings to draw meaningful conclusions. To perform effective data analysis, you'll use a variety of tools and techniques. Popular programming languages like Python and R offer extensive libraries for data manipulation and modeling. Statistical methods, such as regression analysis, help identify relationships between variables. Visualization tools are crucial for presenting complex data in an understandable format, often reducing interpretation time by 50%. Additionally, machine learning algorithms can predict future trends with remarkable precision, enhancing your analytical capabilities. Embracing data analysis offers numerous benefits, including significantly improved decision-making and enhanced operational efficiency. It empowers organizations to identify new market opportunities and proactively address potential challenges. Remember to always prioritize data privacy and adhere to ethical guidelines throughout your analysis. Continuously learning and adapting to new analytical techniques is also vital. By fostering a data-driven culture, you can unlock the full potential of your information, leading to sustained growth and innovation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.